Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is unbox the Tangem Ring. So the Moose got a little excited. He already ripped the package a little bit. So what we're going to do is unbox this, and in a different video, I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial as well. So this is going to be a first look, unboxing only. And if you want to, I will have a link for you in the description below or on screen for you to learn how to set it up. So guys, if you get something out of this, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know how things are going. So before we unbox, I also want to invite you to the link tree. So if you guys head over right here to the link tree, you guys can click on Tangem Wallet and it will take you to the Tangem website. If you guys use code Moose, it will save you 10% off the Tangem wallet or ring. So here you can pick up a Tangem for under $50 USD, or you can order your Tangem ring. So they even have a separate page on their website. So guys, use code Moose, save 10% off. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. So I've been waiting a long time for this. So this is what it looks like. This is what it came in. Perhaps we'll be doing an ASMR as well. So there we go. We got a nice box. It feels premium, looking good. And on the back it says Tangem Ring size 10. By the way, I've been using the Tangem wallet for quite a while. I'm a big fan. So in this box, it's going to come with one ring and 2 backup cards. So you're going to be able to write down your recovery seed phrase. When we do the setup video, we will be covering that for you as well. So let's unbox this. And all I'm going to do is just cut around with the little tool here. So you could use scissors, something like that. So there we go. Should have enough. Usually the Moose gets loose and Moose handles things, so there we go. And it says Tangem Ring on the side. I think that looks really nice. All right, so how do we open this? So here it says 1 ring and 2 cards. People are going to be like, what's going on in that room? Oh, there we go. We got the Tangem Ring. Look at that. Would you look at that? So this does feel premium. So I must say it does look good. By the way, I did do a how to size your ring and how to pre-order. So if you guys do go to the Tangem website, go under size guide and you could watch this video. You could watch the one on my channel. Basically, you're going to download this and you can print off the sheet of paper and then you can measure your ring size. So clearly, it looks like we did a good job because the ring fits perfectly. That is really good. That is the best fit ring that I've had. That could be luck. It's probably because I planned it ahead of time. So it looks like the Moose did a pretty good job there, and that is great. Guys, this ring is awesome. Guys, ring quality is supreme. It feels awesome. The weight is nice. It's not too heavy. But to think that we're going to be able to set up a wallet and sign transactions with this is super cool. So, man, that is awesome. Here's a toonie. I guess they use the same material that a lot of dentistry uses, which is pretty interesting. So wow, that's awesome. So what we're going to do now is open up, and here we have our Tangem cards. So here's the one that I use every day. Look how dirty that is. Ugh. Dude, it looks like a moose was hungry, started eating a Tangem. These cards are new. So you got 2 cards. You have some info that the moose can't even read. So we got 2 cards, some info, getting started. So we're going to be doing a complete setup video as mentioned before. So these cards are brand new. They're very nice. And I think this is awesome. So there we go. We got the Tangem Ring, the 2 cards. Very nice. Guys, comment down below if you've already ordered your Tangem Ring. Give me your thoughts down below. I'm impressed. The fact that I can use this ring, sign transactions with my cellular device is awesome. And on top of that, I could just keep 1 card with me in my wallet, and that will be my backup. I could even use it, I assume, to sign transactions, and I could have another backup for at home. All right, guys, that's all we have for you on this episode of Crypto Moose. Use code Moose, order your Tangem wallet today. Check out this video in the description below or on screen.